After login, you will be at the desktop. Top left corner when you click on Apple icon. The first one you will see about Mac. Next is system preferences similar to control panel in PC. Here you can access general settings, screensaver settings, language and region settings, notification settings. Check for software updates. You can change the network settings, Bluetooth settings, keyboard settings, trackpad settings, mouse settings. You can change the display settings and secondary display settings here. Next is the App Store, where you can download the apps directly. Here if you scroll down, we can see different types of apps. Here is the pages equal to Microsoft Word, numbers equal to Microsoft Excel, Keynote is equal to PowerPoint. You can see all kinds of apps. You can download the games, check for app updates which are already installed on our system. In the bottom dock, the first smiley icon is called Finder, which is equal to Windows Explorer. You can resize the windows just by dragging it from the corners. The yellow icon is for minimizing, green icon is for maximizing. Red icon is for closing any application. AirDrop is used for sharing things between Apple devices. In Recents, you will find your recent files. Applications is all the applications installed on your system. Desktop, you can find the files which are in desktop. In downloads, you can find all your downloaded files. You can create a new folder just by right clicking. You can move the files just by drag and drop. For deleting the file, drag and drop it to the bin or simply hit delete. For permanently deleting, right click on the bin and select empty bin. This is where we can change the type of view. Next is Launchpad, where you can access all the apps installed in this PC. Safari is web browser by Apple, which is similar to Chrome. In Mail, you can add all your mail accounts. FaceTime is for video calling and audio calling between Apple devices. Messages is for messages. Apple Maps is similar to Google Maps. Photos is where you can access all your photos. The little dot below the app indicates that the app is running in the background. You can quit the app by right-clicking on the app and quit. Access contacts from here: calendar, reminder, notes. Music is where you can access all your music. All the minimized apps will be here. On top right corner you will find Spotlight. With Spotlight you can search any file or app installed in this PC easily. On top left corner you can see the opened app name and you can access the app preferences from there. You can force quit the app from here as well. Keep the computer in sleep mode, restart, shut down, lock screen, log out from here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I walk around like that nigga on the trigger. If another one so smoke, I let it drop, I eat it liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body. It be choppy, throwing sloppy, shooting.